This video is about functions, graphs, and algebra. Please comment, subscribe, and ding the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.
Today's activity is called Almost Total Inequality. It's a title that's chosen to make you think. We have three functions. Someone who is confident, who's older, who's more advanced in their school career, will just be able to approach this and solve it. Now, it's a nice little problem for someone that knows what they're doing. And then, of course, you have the learning pack that goes with it that can stretch them and get them to think more and follow it through. But the thing is that this activity can be done by even very young learners. As long as they can multiply and divide some simple numbers, they will be able to look at this in a very simple way with trial and improvement. So the questions are, when x is 0, there's a statement. Well, you can investigate that statement. Is it true? Take each of those. You've got function A, function B, and function C. Put in x being 0. So put a 0 in wherever there's an x. And what do you get out? Is it true that A is greater than B, both B and C? We're not looking at how B and C compare. Simply, is A greater than both B and C if x is 0? Now we've got some extended thinking questions. For what other value of x is A the greatest? So is it a range? Is it a multiple ranges? How would you work it out? And again, you can do it by trial and improvement or trial and substitution. Simply put in different numbers and have a go. So even if it's a young learner who can only multiply and divide simple numbers, which is all that you need to do here, just go up to the numbers they're comfortable with and just experiment. And then also, for what value of x is B the greatest, and for what value of x is C the greatest. So test it out, see what happens with different numbers. You can do this algebraically, you can do it with graphs. Now, this is a great way to introduce a young learner to graphs. On the Aiming High website, you have questions that will help you guide your young learners to find a solution. And this isn't explaining things to them, it is helping them, guide them through it so they can work it out for themselves and end up understanding it.
There is a link to the home learning and the teacher guide, plus more activities in the description. Please also support AIMSSEC through the GoFundMe link given. Subscribe, comment, and ding the notification bell to make sure you don't miss our latest videos.